Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I teach Ielts in Lahore. Well guys, once again I welcome you to my Ielts speaking video, and in this video I am going to give you, or I am going to present you an 8-day plan for your Ielts preparation, especially for Ielts speaking module. Are you ready? The thing is, you have to accept this plan. Once you accept the plan, once you work out this plan, believe me, all the plans of your life after doing Ielts, whatever you plan, those plans will be fulfilled, and you will be able to to make your dreams come true as well. How does it feel when you think that one day your dream will come true? That really sounds good. So anyways guys, basically I have made so many videos on Ielts speaking test. I have my videos on Ielts speaking where I give tips and techniques to deal with the questions and to deal with the question type. Then I have my videos where I have conducted some mock tests, some speaking mock tests with some students. If you remember, I've got a video where I am the examiner and I am the candidate and I'm taking speaking test. So I've got those videos as well. Then number 3, I have made some Ielts speaking mock tests where you are the candidates and I am the examiner and you have to answer the questions. Now the problem is, students, the subscribers who watch my videos, they find it difficult to get all the videos in a proper sequence. So what I have done for you guys, I have made this 8-day plan. You can see this is 8-day plan, and for each day there is a link waiting for you, and this link will open a folder. In the folder there will be around 6-7 videos. Some folders contain around 10 videos and you have to watch them on the daily basis with dedication, with commitment, and you got to be regular while doing this. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, all my videos which are useful. Although all my videos are useful, but according to me, some videos are not that useful. So I have only included the videos which are useful. Now what you guys need to do, you have to watch the video on the daily basis and then you got to practice. If the video is about tips, you can make some notes. Okay, in speaking part 1, I have to do this. In speaking part 2, cue card, I have to do this. In speaking part 3, my answers should be like this. If the video is about a mock test with a candidate, you got to observe closely that, okay, how the answers should be delivered, how the questions are and how the answers are in comparison with the questions. So this is how you can learn. And if it is the mock test where you are the candidate, sit actively and answer my every question, maintain active eye contact with me. This is how, without going to any institute, within 8 days you will be able to prepare yourselves for Ielts speaking test. Isn't it magic, Exactly. So again, you need consistency, you need regularity, you need dedication, you need interest, because Ielts is the key which is going to open many doors in your future. That's why you need this key with you right now. Imagine you are going on a journey. When you reach your destination, there will be many doors, and for those doors you need a master key, and this Ielts is the master key which is going to open every door for you in the future, inshallah, by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank you very much guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, and you must follow this 8-day plan. You have to follow it religiously if you guys want to get something positive out of it. Please subscribe to my channel. I have another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that. And I have a Facebook page for you guys. You must like my Facebook page as well, because there also Shumaila and I, we share some information. We share some tips and techniques about Ielts. I also teach Ielts online. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.